What's up, gang? Today I'm coming to you with another video. We on the way to one of my buddy's house. About to drop this thing. About to drop the Camaro today. Got some springs, one is dropped, going in. So y'all stay tuned. We almost there. So we're here. Working on the first one.
So you need to get you some of them R88s.
How much them going for? Just got his done, powder coated.
You can pop the hood too if you want.
Alright.
Hood's already popped. Just
Just gotta let it up.
yeah.
See if I can do it with one hand. All the way down to the toe hook. So we got one on, working on the second one, and my sway bar link snapped. So I'm on the phone with AutoZone right now, but check this out. Snap. Passenger side, shit been riding a little weird, but yeah.
Don't worry about it.
So we done. Give y'all an update.
You want to get this thing from me? The high flow mass flow sensor, it tells you you're making more, getting more air than you are. 15 horsepower gain.
How much you want for that?
150. I paid 225.
I might get that bitch from you.
And when you go to program it, when you go get it tuned, he can program it. He can program it.
That's Granatelli.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might grab that off you.
Want to wash your hands?
Alright, so we got the springs on. We riding. Just give y'all a little ride along with me. Let y'all know how I feel, how it's handling. Got my first curve, let's see. Alright. You still gotta settle in. So I'm just gonna take it easy. And we got a train up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera. And while we at this train, I'm gonna give y'all a better angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. The only problem I believe I'm gonna have for about a week is this exhaust cutouts. I got exhaust cutouts on my car, so they hang a little lower than regular exhaust, but I'm gonna have that taken care of. I meant to do it before, but it's just how the ball rolls. So yeah, it's a lot more stiff taking these curves. As soon as I get a chance to stop completely and open it up, I'm gonna hit it one time. Oh, I got a new front sway bar because I broke my last one. Found that out. Wouldn't have found that out unless we did the springs. But yeah, we ride. We ride. Ain't gonna go too crazy. All these potholes down here. Leave the window cracked so y'all can hear that thing roar. wheel hop. Like I said, my tire is still not good, but that killed a lot of the wheel hop for what we got right now. I went with the RST X5s from Phastek Performance. They were like 200, 210. So yeah. I ain't gonna give y'all a rating too soon, you know what I'm saying? Still got a follow-up video that I gotta do. So far, so good. So far, so good. Got a lot of open road down with some curves and stuff, so let's just see how we handle at high speeds. You drove your shit yet? Damn, poor connection. Yeah. Eat that bitch up. Oh nah. One more rainy day, that's your ass. Hell no. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my tires ordered and I'm gonna just ride out for about a week, 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna have my tires put on. I'm gonna go back up to 285s. Yeah, 285, 40, 20. And then in the front, 245, 40, 20. I know, that's crazy as fuck. I'm still recording right now while I'm driving. I say I'm still recording right now while I'm driving. I said, let me call you and see how your shit ride. Cause my shit's smooth as a bitch. Yeah. I know what you mean, bro. You ain't even gotta explain. I know exactly what you mean. Yeah. We finished like 20 minutes ago. It like in total it took like I'd say 3 hours in total.
Yeah, it was that one wheel that messed us up. But everything else was like maybe an hour, 45 minutes, bro.
Yeah. It was quick, like if we knew what we was doing type shit before, like once you get the first one off and do the first one, the second one easy.
Yeah.
That was the only thing. And then I had to go to fucking Normandy and grab the fucking other sway bar. I think that same day I got pulled over when I scratched my rim up and shit.
Yeah.
I think I snapped that bitch that day. But that bitch looked like something hit it though.
Was it pulling on one side?
Yeah, it was. But I ain't think nothing of it because I had just did my brakes.
Damn.
Yeah. So like when I would brake, it would like skip a beat sometimes because it's pulling to the right. But now my shit, I tested it out. That shit good. Yeah. I'm saying. But I'm gonna hit you back, bro. I'm about to go eat. Alright. Yes, sir. So yeah, them springs, they got shit running smooth. Shit running smooth. But that's the end of this video. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Like I just said, time to get something to eat. We out. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. When you drop a comment, let me know what you want to see. I need some more ideas. I'm gonna keep it coming to you. Let's run this up together. Y'all help me to keep going.